everyone, I am Shruti and this is my channel being Itsy. If you are watching my video for the first time, then let me tell you, I make videos on DIY projects, art and craft and home decor. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so in the last video, that is part 1, I showed you guys how to make this Buddha idol from clay. So check out that video if you haven't already. Just click on the I button or I'll leave the link also in the description box. Now I'll show you how to color it, and by color I mean making it look like an antique brass sculpture. So firstly, use a sandpaper. This is 180 grade. It's easily available in any hardware shop. So lightly sand and smooth out any uneven surfaces, but don't sand too much because it can leave small scratches on the surface. Okay, then using a brush, wipe off the dust. Now I'm using acrylic paints here, but you can also use emulsion or oil paints. So this is black for the base, and for highlighting you can choose any color. So I've taken gold and copper here. There's also this gold powder available at any paint or hardware shop. Even Fevicryl has this gold dust. I feel that it gives the best result, so I will also show you with metallic paints as well as this powder. So firstly I am applying black paint on the entire surface. Make sure you cover all the little gaps and areas under the nose and these details as well. We are using this black color basically as a base coat, and on this we are going to use highlighter shades. So if you want an antique brass finish, you can take gold paint, or if you want copper, you can use copper paint, depending on the finish that you want. Now let this dry for a while, and then we can start with our highlighter colors. So I'm taking gold over here because I want an antique brass finish, and this is the Fevicryl Metallic gold color that I'm using, and I've taken very little paint on the brush and no water. So take some paint on your brush and start lightly brushing the surface. It's very important, guys, that you don't take any water if you're using these metallic colors, because we want thick paint here. I'm showing you on a small patch how the copper color will look. So in case you want an antique copper finish, you can go for this copper color. So basically the key is just to apply paint on the top surface, so the black in the inner parts will show through, and that will give us that antique look that we are going for. Now I'll show you how the metallic gold powder works. So one option is to use it with just water, but then you have to seal it with varnish. So just dip your brush in some water and start applying it. Or while the base coat is still slightly wet, you can use your finger and take some powder on your finger and start rubbing the top surfaces with the gold powder. So this is another method to use the powder. And the third one would be using a medium or a binder. So you can get Fevicryl medium or binder, and you can add the powder in that binder. So you make a paste out of it and then apply that. I'll give the links to buy all the colors and materials that I'm using in the description below. On the face as well, I am just lightly brushing the color. And whenever you think that you have applied a lot of color, you can always go back and take some color off with your finger while it's still wet. This is done now. You can leave it as it is, but I recommend sealing it with at least one coat of clear varnish, so your sculpture will stay bright and shiny and the color will last longer. I've used Camel Artist Picture Varnish. You can use any clear varnish. I'll add a link to buy this online in the description. And there it is, an antique brass sculpture which is actually made from clay. So I hope you liked this technique. Let me know in the comments if you did. And if you've enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to it so that next time I upload a video, you will get a notification. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more updates and stories. See you next time.